Hello friend, I am Anuj and today is my topic on user defined function in SQL. User defined function are routine that accepts parameter, perform an action such as complex calculation and return the results of that action as a value. Means in simple word we can say user defined function is a group of statement and we give some input and on the basis of input it will return output. Here in the function the input parameter is optional, we can either give input or not, but the output, the function will always return the output. First thing, the output, the return value can either be a single scalar value or result set. The output may be a single value or it may be a return a record set or it will return a table value. Okay. User defined function are of two type. First is scalar function, second is table value function. Scalar function it return a single value and table value function it return a row set of SQL server like table. Okay, first I will tell you about the scalar function. I have already created a scalar function. How we can create then function name, create function, then function name, parenthesis start. In the parenthesis I just write the input parameter, then we have to write return clause and what kind of the output you want. I just want that decimal output, and then as begin and I will use return keyword here also. And within this what I am doing, I am just doing taking from product table, taking out the average unit price based on the supplier ID and store in the average declare variable, and that declare variable I will return from here, and from this way I will get the average unit price of the product based on the supplier ID. Okay, so this is the way. Select dbo dot function name, means I will get the average unit price of the product table based on the my product ID, supply ID, sorry. See, you might see my table, product table. Okay, if I input 1 then I will get different output. Okay, so this is a scalar user defined function. Now we will talk about the table value function. Table value function are of two type: inline table value function and multi-statement table value function. The difference is that in inline table value function it will return only a single select statement, and in multi-statement table value function in this we can perform more operation like insert, update, delete, and it also return the record set or result set, right? But in inline table value function we can't do any that additional operation. So let's see. This is the syntax of inline table value function. In create function name, then parameter. In the return clause we have to write always table keyword. Okay, then as return within the parenthesis we will write our query. This query is saying that return all the product name and their prices, and based on only those product name and price will be written whose price will be greater than that price we will give input. Suppose we want to return all the price whose price is greater than 15. Okay, so I will get the product name as well as the average price. If I input 150, then I will get all the product name and their prices which is greater than 150. Okay, so difference is that in the return clause we have to write table keyword. Okay, in the multi-statement table value function what you have to do, in the return clause everything is same. In the return clause we have to declare one table variable function, table variable, here table variable, then table, and what are the column, product and their average price, and the query is same, just written all the product name and their unit price or their average price, whose price is greater than that price which we are giving input. Okay, so we are inserting we are inserting the result into that table, and that table is written from here, and we will see the output. Okay, the query is doing the same thing, but the difference is that in multi statement table value function we can do insert, update, delete operation, or we can do more complex function as per our requirement. But in inline table value function we just only return a select command. Okay, thank you guys for listening me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.